Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. In our last video, I explained you about the subtraction of integers and I have given some sums for self practice. Let me give you answers of that sums so you can verify your answers. Have you noted it? Okay. Then now today we are going to start the exercise 1.1. But before that, let's take a quick recap of previous lectures. So what have we studied till now? We have studied about the comparison of integers, then how can we represent it on number line, and how can we add and subtract the integers. So based on that, we are going to solve this exercise. So let's move with the first question of the exercise, that is based on the number line. Now in math, always read the question properly, understand the question properly. From the question itself, you will get some hint to solve the answer. Okay? So always you will try to understand the question. So here is the question. Following number line shows the temperature, means this number line, as you can see here some numbers are written on it. So these numbers are representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Degree Celsius is the unit of temperature at different places on a particular day. As you can see here, they have mentioned names of the places also. So in this question, first of all, we will analyze the number line. As you can see, between 0 and 5. 0 and 5, how many numbers there between 0 and 5? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to fill these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Similar way, see, all the numbers on the right of 0 will be positive and all the numbers on the left of 0 will be negative. So here you are going to put minus sign as they all are negative. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay, so we have completed the number line. Now let's move to the question which are based on the number line. First is observe this number line. This one already we have done. And write the temperature of the places marked on it. What they are asking, look at the question. Write the temperature, means you are going to write down the temperature. And here the temperature is in number. Okay, temperature of the places marked on it. As you can see, some marks over here. So these marks, you have to write down the temperature of these marked cities. Okay, so you can see Bangalore. Look at this arrow. Which number is over here? 22. Positive 22. So you are going to write in this way. You will make one table, name of the cities, and here you are going to write down the temperature of that particular city. Here you have to write down the temperature of all the cities. Okay, all the places marked on it. So let's start with Bangalore. So Bangalore you will write, and then over here you will write the Bangalore's temperature. So exactly at this arrow, look which number is there? 22. So the temperature is 22, and here temperature is having unit. So you must have to write the unit. And which unit will you write? The unit which is given in the question, that this temperature is in degree Celsius. So here you are going to put this unit degree Celsius. Same way for UT. What's the temperature of it? Just follow this arrow. It is 14. So 14 degree, and these all the numbers are positive. Okay. Then Shimla. Follow this arrow, that is 5. Srinagar, follow it. This is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So you are going to write in this way, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. Similar way, Srinagar minus 2 and this one minus 8. Okay. So in this way you are going to write down the first answer. Bangalore, then Ooty, then Simla. Likewise you are going. Now let's move to the second question. What is the temperature difference? Means what you have to find? You have to find out the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places. What do you mean by the hottest one? Hottest one means the place which is having the highest temperature. And coldest means the place which is having the lowest temperature. Okay. And what do you mean by difference? For that, let me give you an example. Suppose I scored 10 marks and you scored 20 marks. Then who scored more marks? I or you? Yes, you scored more than me. Okay. But if I will ask you, how many marks you scored more than me? यानी आपके मेरे कंपैरिजन में कितने मार्क्स ज्यादा है? Then you will say, you scored 10 marks more than me. So how could you find it? Yes, 20 your marks minus my marks. So you will get the difference between yours and mine. Okay. So similar way you have to find temperature difference. We are going to subtract it. So let us find out hottest place and the coldest place. As you can see, 22 is the greater one. So 22 is your hottest place, 22 degree, and this minus 8 will be your coldest place. Now, how can you decide that this minus 8 is the coldest place? Because as you will move on the left of number line, on the left side, then your number will become smaller and smaller. Okay. So this is your last one and it is the lowest temperature, that is minus 8. So minus 8 degree Celsius. This is your highest temperature, this is your lowest temperature. And what you have to do, you have to find their difference. So you are going to put here minus sign. Okay. Don't get confused between this one and this one. Here minus 8 is your temperature. This is not the sign of your operation. Sign of the operation is minus. And why is it minus? Because you have to find the difference. Now 22 degree minus plus 8 degree. So your answer will be 30 degree Celsius. Compulsory you have to write down this unit. Okay. So this is your answer. Now let's move to next question. C you will do by yourself. D. Let's read it. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Means you have to take temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Now let's see what is the temperature of Srinagar. Yeah, follow it. Minus 2. So minus 2 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Let's check it. Shimla, where is it? Here. Shimla's temperature is 5 degrees. So Shimla's temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Then what they are saying? Taken together. Taken together means you are going to add both the temperature. So let's add them. Minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. Now solve it. Minus 2 plus 5. Both are having opposite signs, and if there is opposite sign, then you are going to subtract it. So 5 minus 2, your answer will be 3 degrees Celsius. And I told you, when they are having opposite sign, then both will fight. माइनस 2 कह रहा है मैं मेरी साइन रखूंगा यहाँ पे, 5 कह रहा है मैं मेरी साइन रखूंगा, तो किसकी साइन जाएगी? जो बड़ा है उसकी. कौन बड़ा है? 5, और वो कैसा है? पॉजिटिव. सो योर आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. So this first sentence we have completed. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? So we have checked what is the temperature taken together. फिर वो क्या कह रहा है? Is यानी ये temperature is less than the temperature at Shimla. यानी ये जो temperature हमने लिया है वो temperature शिमला के टेम्परेचर से कम है. ये ऐसा कह रहा है कि वो राइट है या रॉन्ग है. सो कंपेयर दिस 3 डिग्री विद द शिमला's temperature. Shimla's temperature is 5 degree. So is it less than? Is 3 degree smaller than 5? Yes. So this first sentence is true. This first sentence is true. Now let's move to the next. Is it also less than? Is it means कौन? This temperature. The temperature which is taken together. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Means this 3 degree is also less than minus 2. 3 degree is also less than minus 2. Say, which one is greater, 3 or minus 2? One is negative, one is positive. So, all the positive integers are always greater than all the negative integer. यानी ये जो 3 डिग्री है वो कैसा है? माइनस 2 से बड़ा है. और ये क्या कह रहा है कि ये 3 माइनस 2 से लेस देन है. So, is this sentence correct? No. This sentence is wrong. So this is false. Why this is false? Because 3 is greater than minus 2, and it is saying that 3 is less than minus 2. So this statement is wrong. So we have written false. Understood? Now question 2 onward we will do in the next session. Thank you.